Cardio is the go-to solution for fat loss, but are you using it the right way? Whether you're trying to burn the most calories, preserve your hard-earned muscle, or find a sustainable routine, not all cardio is created equal. In this video, I'm going to break down the science of cardio, which types burn the most calories, which interferes the least with muscle growth, and what to choose best for your goals. Most people think that fat loss is just about burning the most amount of calories in the shortest time. And whilst that is partly true, how you do it matters a lot, especially if you want to keep muscle and stay consistent. To understand this, we need to break down cardio and intensity duration. There are two approaches to cardio. You've got high intensity training, like sprints, boxing, other explosive movements that burn a ton of calories per minute, but require rest between sets. You've also got low intensity training, like walking, steady state jogging, cycling, and they all burn fewer calories per minute, but can be sustained for a longer time. So what's more effective? It depends on what you can sustain. And sure, a sprint burns a massive amount of calories in a short time, but you can't sprint for 20 minutes straight. And that's where a middle ground comes in. Moderate intensity training is the sweet spot between high intensity and steady state cardio. It's intense enough to burn more calories than walking, but sustainable enough to avoid burnout. Moderate intensity training is the highest calorie burn with the minimal interface to muscle retention. Steady state jogging, cycling and swimming, great alternatives, but slightly less efficient. High intensity training burns the most amount of calories per minute, but it's so hard to sustain. So why is moderate intensity the best? You'll have less muscle breakdown compared with high intensity training. It's easier to sustain over weeks and months compared to sprints, and it's a great balance of calorie burn and recovery. If you're lifting weights and you want to keep the muscle, you need to choose cardio that doesn't interfere with strength training. The worst offenders for this are sprinting, which is high fatigue, depletes glycogen stores, and cycling, which overworks quads and glutes, which can affect your leg days. The best choice for muscle preservation? Elliptical. It's low impact, full body, keeps the heart rate between 110 and 130 beats per minute. You can also try incline walking, which is low impact, or you could try swimming, which is a full body workout, but it can increase the hunger due to the cold water effect. So if you're trying to keep as much muscle as possible whilst still losing fat, stick to low intensity joint friendly options. Even if a type of cardio burns a ton of calories, if you can't stick with it, it's useless. So here's what matters the most for sustainability. It needs to have a low impact. You start affecting your joints, you're not going to be able to do anything. It needs to be easy to integrate into daily life, and it needs to be enjoyable enough to stick to it long term. So ranking the most sustainable cardio options, again, elliptical, zero impact, and it's a full body movement. Walking, you can easily incorporate that into your daily life, and swimming, good for longevity, but it depends on access to a pool. And for me, I mix it up between elliptical, stationary bike, and incline walking, because cardio can get boring. But the best type of cardio depends on your specific goals. If you want to maximize fat loss, moderate intensity training is the best. If you want to preserve muscle, elliptical or incline walking is the best. And for long-term sustainability, walking is the best, because you can't beat it for consistency. And if you just want to do something you enjoy, like playing sports or going for hikes, even doing jiu-jitsu, the best cardio is the one that you can actually stick to. And not many people say this, but cardio needs to be based on your experience level. So if you're a beginner, stick to the fun and easy options like walking or swimming that then builds habits. If you're an intermediate, choose cardio that aligns with your goals but is still enjoyable. And advanced, optimized for goal-specific phases like cutting, maintenance, or muscle building. The bottom line is, pick something that you can be consistent with. And if you want to take the fat loss to the next level, cardio is just one part of the fat loss equation. If you want to make smarter, faster progress, I put together a free 21-day fitness plan in the description. Every day I'll send you one easy fitness tip breaking down fat loss, muscle building, and fitness myths. So simple a 5-year-old can understand it. No gimmicks, no fluff, just real actionable advice. And it's 100% free. It will probably change the way that you train. So if you want to grab that, it's in the link in the description and you can level up your fitness. And cardio is just a tool. How you use it depends on your goals. If you want to maximize fat loss, go for steady state cardio. You want to preserve muscle, low intensity. And remember, cardio is just a tool. You want to preserve muscle, stick to low impact, full body. If you want something you'll do for years, walking works every single time. And if you want more fat loss tips, click on that video just there and I'll walk you through everything that you need to know.